This is a MP4 video file uploaded into Google Drive. First, make sure you have it shared publicly, then copy the video link. Now, let us go to the H5P interactive video edit panel, and add the link there as video URL. Click Insert to add the video. As you can see, the video is shown as unknown and we are getting the message, the video format is not supported. To resolve this problem, let us remove the video and again add the link. This time, we will edit the link. In the link, replace file /d with UC ? export equals download and ID equals. Keep the video ID intact, then move to the end of the URL. Replace /view ? USP with end type equals .mp4. Finally, click on Insert. This time, your video will be recognized as an MP4 file and it will load for you to add interactions. Hope it works for you.